Hey everyone, it's Andrew Nagel again with Valk9 Designs, and here we are. I'm finally doing the beginning of the next start to finish piece. I'm kind of throwing a couple of things together into one mini series here. We're going to be doing a symmetrical design as well as a dangle bail piece, as well as a tree of life design. You know, these are all kind of various different things that I've featured in different designs, and I recently did a pendant that featured all of these things, and I thought it'd be a good thing to show all of you. And so we're going to just dive right on into it. I prefer, for a symmetrical design, you know, you want as symmetrical of a stone as you can get. This cab is not exactly perfect, but it is going to work for what we want to do. And so we're going to start, of course, by tracing out that stone. Try not to move that stone around. All right. And so, as I had said, this is going to be a tree of life design, and so what I like to do when I'm setting a stone, this is going to be in the roots of the tree. This has kind of been a different type of tree design that I've been playing around with. I'm definitely not the innovator of this type of tree. I mean, you'll see a lot of this type of stuff from Reed North as well. He is probably kind of most well known for tree pendants. And he also does some very cool mushroom designs. He does some very cool, they're like almost sculpture wire pieces, like wire pendants that are also sculptures. And so his work is definitely something you should check out. Reed North again. And so here we're going to start loosely drawing the tree. Now this tree does not really have to be perfect, because once you get in there and start, you know, once we start doing the tie downs, we'll figure out where we want to put them. And so I'm looking at this flash, and I kind of want to have the roots follow that middle part there. So what we're going to do is just have some of the roots spread out that way. I'm just going along with the natural flash that I see there. You know, I've seen some others that kind of had a flash line go down there that split colors, or on the other side, and so I just try to go with what looks best for the stone that I'm working with. So that'll be the only part of the design that's not really symmetrical. Now what else we're going to add? We're going to add a coil along up this side. I've enjoyed adding just this nice thicker coil for a bottom detail on some of my pieces. You know, there's various different ways to get that to attach to the frame. And so we'll show you that as well once we get into the design. Okay. I had to take a moment and think about where I was wanting this design to go next. I think if we bring this coil kind of more rigidly up this way, and then attach it in kind of as so. So it was a little tie down into the frame up there. And then in the building of this, we'll straighten out this coil. I was thinking maybe we'll curve this coil, but I think straightening it out would be the best idea. It won't be that jagged on the bottom, but you know, for artistic purposes it is in the drawing. Then we're going to add some of our side detailing. And again, this is going to be a symmetrical piece, so we're going to add, we're going to do detailing that we know we can duplicate onto the other side. And now as I'm drawing this, you can see I'm opening this line up. I'm planning on using half round wire here, and so I'm basically kind of drawing out where I'm going to flatten the wire as I bring that out. And then, you know, possibly another outside wire here. And then we can set some stones here. Alrighty. Now we're going to draw that design, or that detail, on the other side. Okay, so we've finished up drawing our other design, or the other side of the detail here. It's a little bit thicker, not perfectly balanced. I'm trying to push this line out to get them to even out a bit more. But we'll also even it when we draw the frame on here. That's why I really prefer this gridded line, or this lined, you know, grid paper. You can really even out your frame lines when you draw those out, so you know you're making a balanced piece no matter what sort of design you're doing. And then the last part we're going to need to add, this is where the dangle bail will go. And it'll hang off a chain as so. It's kind of a larger piece. Might do. We're going to do two. We'll attach one there, and we'll attach one there. Alright. Move that one down a little bit. I try to get these as even as I can on the drawing. Not always so easy to do. And I figured we would do some yellow and blue accents to go with the color of this stone. And so those will probably be a progression of blue and then yellow. And there we are. And so the next edition of this start to finish series will be when we do the framework design and then also the framework construction of this pendant. We'll probably throw in the polishing of the frame as well into that video, so be on the lookout for that. That'll either be next week, possibly the week after. I do have a lot of customs going on right now, everyone, so please be patient with me as I get these together for you all. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great day.